Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Finally got my tuner crate, and finally got it at the beginning of the month, and I'm so happy. Car parts are coming in over the next couple weeks, so I'm happy with that. I still have some videos I need to do. I installed all the LED lighting and all that. I just haven't done a final video to show all the lighting and that, so I have that coming up. I've gotten a lot of other packages that I have to do unboxings for. I still have a couple unboxings I've done that I need to edit the video. Apologize, just life's been crazy. And so anyway, this is this month. It's early. Looks like it was already open. That's kind of scary. My mail is shady. That's the best I can say. I want to give a shout out to Tuner Crate. So you saw my last crate. I got 2 repeat items. Their customer service, it's not the best, because I emailed 2 different times over a 2.5 week period. I finally just hit them up on Instagram, and apparently instead of them sending me new items or replacement items, they refunded me the entire box. So I can't complain about that. So thank you for that, Tuner Crate, because I was so mad. I was just going to cancel it and find another subscription to do every month, even though I really love Tuner Crate. I love their shirts, I love their products. So I haven't looked at this other than the fact that if you check out the box, I love that they've been changing their boxes up. So Autocon, I go into a bunch of different shows. I list them on my Instagram and stuff like that when they're getting closer to it. My Facebook page is public. They're both A Geeky Guy. I do post some things publicly, so follow me there. Follow me on Instagram if you want to like see what's going on in my life outside of just these unboxings and stuff like that. So again, here we go. We have City of Angels, the Autocon, but I'm not going to it. It's April 29th. I'll actually be in a car show April 29th in New Jersey. I believe it's Clean Culture Import Expo. So the next thing is you got Tag Your Tires, and there you go for Tag Your Tires. Then they have this month's episode of Max Boost Adventures in Motorville, and it has a bunch of like drawings and stuff like that, so that's really cool. I still have not gotten around to reading the last one because, well, I've just been really busy. What's really cool, I already saw a sneak peek of this on Instagram. An actual backpack, hustle grind. Got the zipper. Oh, that's a big space in there. And then the big zipper over here, and it's got a divider. So that's freaking awesome. I mean, what company sends a backpack with their products? I think that is super cool. I'm gonna put the rest of my shirts that I haven't worn in, I'm gonna put all in there for now because I have so much other stuff. It's so much clothes, it's crazy. My receipt. Let's go with this, a Blue Plush microfiber towel. Can never have enough microfiber towels. Can never have enough screwdrivers. Nice flathead Stanley screwdriver. Another different color turbo keychain. I don't collect these. Eventually I'm gonna like give this stuff away. Maybe I'll do it at one of the car shows. I'll just bring a bunch of stuff and just toss it out because I don't need this stuff. I don't collect stuff like that. This I definitely want to keep. This is really cool. This is going to go in my bar area. A wrench, but it's not a wrench. It is a beer cap opener, or a bottle opener. So love that. Next thing we have is the Autocon sticker. Autocon sticker. I love stickers, as you already know if you've followed my channel. Autocon and Tuner Crate more stickers. My garage is slowly becoming a wall of stickers, which is the whole plan on it. The next thing is your air freshener. Another car sticker. What else we got in here? For the shirts. Ooh, I like that. Plain and simple, but so perfect. Oh, nice. So a Tuner Crate shirt, but if you look, you got the front, but then the sleeve has, then the side of the shirt has Tuner Crate down the side of it. It's hard to see, but it says Tuner Crate down the side of the shirt, and then the other side is plain and the back is plain. I like that shirt. I like simple yet stylish. Simple yet stylish. And then the next and final shirt. So this month only came with 2 shirts. I mean, I'd rather have a shirt than a backpack, but I'm not going to complain about a backpack. So there you go. Nothing on the sleeves. Simple. The shirt's quality is awesome. They're not cheap quality shirts at all. And then you have Autocon picture. Can anyone tell me what that car is? Is it a 300Z? Is that a 300Z? No, that is a different car. So that's everything. Like I said, sorry I haven't been doing that many like cool intros to my videos. It's not car season yet. My car's been in the garage, so I can't really get that much cool like car video stuff to do. Car shows are coming up. So who knows what wild, crazy stuff I'll capture with my dash cams, going to shows and stuff like that. I will be airing the video of all the shows that I go to this summer. The first show I'm going to is CMN, a charity, on April 22nd. And it's in Maryland. I'm going to, like I said, the Import Expo in New Jersey on April 29th. May 6th, I'm going to Panda Junction at the new location in Pennsylvania. And that's what I have so far. There are other events further out, but I'll announce them as I register and accepted. There's the Sumo Speed that I've been accepted to and stuff like that. I will be in the VIP for the Panda Junction. I got approved for that. So, but thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and take care. And what kind of cars do you drive? I'm curious to know. Check it out. Put it in the description below. Like, what kind of cars do you drive? What mods should I do to my car that I haven't done? I have a long list. I gotta do a video of that for you guys. Just been crazy busy. But take care.